Step right up to the dazzling marquee of Financial Fitness Hub, your ultimate financial circus, where we juggle smart strategies and insider secrets to skyrocket your wealth. Prepare to be amazed as we leap into the electrifying universe of TikTok, the digital juggernaut revolutionizing the entrepreneurial arena. Imagine a realm where creativity and commerce dance in a viral ballet, promising riches and fame. With TikTok's legion of users set to breach the 2 billion mark by 2024, the clock's ticking to claim your slice of this colossal treasure trove. The golden gates are open, and the treasure hunt begins right now. Let's hop on a journey to demystify the allure of TikTok, not just as a social media phenomenon, but as a robust engine for financial growth. Picture this: a platform where creativity meets opportunity, where your unique content can not only go viral, but become a substantial source of income. That's TikTok, a realm where anyone, regardless of their niche or visibility, can emerge as a financial success story. As we peel back the layers of this vibrant platform, keep in mind that the key to unlocking its treasures lies in strategy, authenticity, and engagement. Whether you're crafting your first post or looking to scale an existing audience, your approach to TikTok can redefine your financial blueprint. Strategy 1. Beyond the Creator Fund. While TikTok's Creator Fund is a well-known monetization path, it's just the tip of the iceberg. The real wealth lies in leveraging your TikTok presence to funnel traffic to your online ventures. Imagine converting your views into leads for your e-commerce store or digital products. The potential here is limitless, with creators often witnessing exponential growth in their business revenues, far surpassing what the Creator Fund offers. Many see the Creator Fund as the go-to for TikTok monetization, but let's think bigger. The true magic happens when you use TikTok as a funnel for your broader business goals. Imagine each video as a gateway, directing viewers to your e-commerce store or service offerings. Creators leveraging this strategy often report a significant uptick in their revenue streams, eclipsing what they earn from the Creator Fund. The key here is consistency and alignment, ensuring your TikTok content resonates with your business's core offerings, creating a seamless transition for your audience from viewers to customers. Strategy 2. The power of TikTok Shop. Embrace the TikTok Shop feature, a revolutionary tool that allows direct sales through your videos. This integration can transform your TikTok account into a thriving e-commerce platform with the added advantage of global reach. The beauty of TikTok Shop lies in its simplicity and effectiveness, providing a seamless shopping experience right where the engagement happens. TikTok Shop is not just a feature, it's a revolution in social commerce. By allowing direct sales through your content, TikTok Shop can transform your profile from a content hub to a vibrant marketplace. Success in this arena requires a nuanced approach, integrating product showcases into your content narrative in a way that feels organic and engaging. Highlighting the benefits, sharing user testimonials, and creating exclusive TikTok promotions can enhance your shop's appeal, driving sales and boosting your bottom line. If you're finding this guide insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here at Financial Fitness Hub, we're dedicated to providing you with valuable content that propels you toward your financial goals. Strategy 3. Maximizing live streams. Live streaming on TikTok isn't just about interaction. It's a lucrative avenue for monetization through virtual gifts. More importantly, it strengthens your connection with the audience, fostering a community willing to support your ventures. Engage, entertain, and educate during your live sessions, and watch as it translates into a steady income stream, with possibilities extending far beyond the virtual gifts. Live streaming on TikTok offers a dual benefit: engagement and monetization. It's a unique opportunity to connect with your audience in real time, building rapport and loyalty. To maximize earnings from virtual gifts, focus on delivering value through your streams. Share insights, entertain, and invite interaction. Consider themed sessions, Q&A segments, and behind-the-scenes looks to keep your audience engaged. Remember, consistency in live streaming can also boost your overall TikTok algorithmic performance, leading to greater visibility and more opportunities for monetization. Strategy 4. Collaborations and UGC. Partnering with brands or creating user-generated content for others can open new revenue channels. These collaborations not only offer immediate financial rewards, but also enhance your visibility and credibility on the platform, leading to more opportunities. Collaborating with brands and creating user-generated content, UGC, for others opens a realm of monetization possibilities. These partnerships, while offering direct financial compensation, also serve to amplify your reach and authority on the platform. To thrive in this space, cultivate a strong, recognizable personal brand and engage actively with both your community and potential brand partners. Highlighting your unique value proposition and demonstrating your engagement rates can attract lucrative collaborations that benefit both you and your partners. Consider the impact of leveraging user-generated content, UGC, within your shop. Encouraging satisfied customers to share their experiences with your products not only enriches your TikTok content, but also builds social proof. This strategy boosts credibility and fosters trust among potential buyers, enhancing the effectiveness of your TikTok shop. Highlighting real customer stories and testimonials can significantly increase engagement and conversions, turning viewers into loyal customers. By seamlessly integrating these authentic experiences into your content, you create a compelling narrative around your products, driving sales and fostering a community of brand advocates. Strategy 5. Affiliate marketing and subscriptions. Utilize TikTok to promote affiliate products or to encourage viewers to subscribe to your exclusive content. This strategy is about creating value-packed content that naturally integrates product recommendations or invites to join your subscriber community, providing you with a recurring income. Affiliate marketing on TikTok requires a strategic approach. By integrating affiliate products into your content, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your links. Success here hinges on authenticity. Recommend products you genuinely love and believe in to maintain trust with your audience. Similarly, encouraging subscriptions for exclusive content can provide a steady income stream. Offer subscribers unique value, such as exclusive insights, tips, or behind-the-scenes content, making the subscription an irresistible addition to your free offerings. Remember, the essence of success on TikTok lies in authenticity and engagement. Focus on creating content that resonates with your audience and be open to evolving your strategies as you grow. TikTok is a platform of endless possibilities, waiting for you to seize them. To wrap up, TikTok is a fertile ground for financial growth, but success requires more than just showing up. It demands strategic action, authenticity, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. Whether you're leveraging TikTok Shop, diving into live streams, or exploring collaborations, remember that your audience's trust is the cornerstone of your success. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more strategies to navigate the digital landscape profitably. At Financial Fitness Hub, we're committed to helping you achieve your financial goals through smart, innovative approaches. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success on TikTok and beyond. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital realm. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to financial fitness is just a video away. See you in the next one.